Installing the levelers takes almost no time. Matter of fact, it takes longer to get the cabinet out of the box than it does to put on a pair of levelers. So the first thing we want to do is mark for our holes. Now, of course, to make it easy, we gave you a drilling jig so you don't have to measure anything. Here's a quick side note. As of 2024, we have new jigs, which only have one hole, so it makes it even faster. Just slide it to the side of the cabinet, mark through the hole we just told you about, and you're ready to bore. Now for us, we love to build our cabinet runs first, then we bore all the holes all at once. Why? Because it's faster. There's a 3/4 inch boring bit that we have on our website that enables you to drill these holes very quickly. Now just set the levelers on the side of the cabinet, slide the adjusting rods till they're flush with the toe kick, and screw them into the cabinet. We find it easiest to start with the front leveler first and just use the 2 top screws to hold it in place. You'll notice we're using a magnetic tip for our screws, otherwise those little screws will fall off every time. Now we're going to slide the rear adjusting rod through the front leveler, scoot it up till the tip is flush with the toe kick just like we did before, and fasten it into place. Now, go ahead and install the other set, same way we did before. Then we come back with our 1-inch screws, go through the leveler into the body. The one thing you want to make sure of is do not over tighten those screws. Otherwise, you can impede the movement of the foot. So the heads of the screws should just touch the side of the leveler, just to keep it from coming out. So, roughly, we have just under 2 minutes for 2 sets of levelers, but I tell people about a minute per set is more than enough. Therefore, the average kitchen, 10 to 15 minutes for the install. However, most people don't even care. They just enjoy the other side of the equation. The speed of leveling, the lack of frustration, the perfect precision. Those are the things that matter to all of our customers.